make a simple looping animation. And I also want to tell you that you're going to get a surprise at the end. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let's get straight into it. Now first, what we need to do is add a plane like that. Make sure it has 8 meters of scale in all the axes like this. Now let's get straight into this. First, what we need to do is subdivide it 100 times. Over here you can see I've subdivided it 100 times. Now let's do this. Good. Now you can see I need to make it go before the bevel and the solidify modifier. Now I need to add a new texture to this and make the texture clouds. Like that you can see it's coming, right? And you can see I'm doing it over here, the clouds texture. Now let's change some settings of this. So now you guys can see I've created the wavy effect. Now what we need to do is, now we need to position our camera. You can see our camera is over here, right? What we need to do is just press, we need to add our camera object. And then I'm going to put it in this place. You can see over here, I'm going to bring it a bit down. And I think let me zoom my camera a bit out here. So I'm going to zoom something like that. And be a little small baby like that. And then I'll be like this. So you can see our camera is over here and it's seeing that part. Now I need my camera to zoom out a bit because I think this is too much. Okay, so now it's time to add some shading to this, like colors. Now what we need to do is make the whole scene black by going to the bottom right. And over there I need to click on the world and I need to make the lights that will be black. This is full black. Now if I go to my world, actual world, then you will be able to see that it's really black. So you can see over here it's really black. So let's add some light to this. So let me add that. So now you guys can see I've added a material called the Voronoi material. And what this material does is just bring some cool sci-fi floor effect. Now what we just need to do is add the color. So what we need to do, so what let's do is, you can see I added a point light, right? To this point light set my first color, which is pink. So let me add pinky, my favorite, almost favorite color. It's in my favorite color list. And let me put it this side, pink, over somewhere there. And I make sure I create a rangoli because I'm creating a type of rangoli kind of thing. That's why I added pink also. I'll add pink, blue, green, red and yellow. Type of a rangoli, right? Good. Now let us duplicate this pink and put that in the center and make the center pink to green. Yeah, now let me continue duplicating. You can see I added pink, green and blue. Okay. Now what let's do is add the other colors. Hooray! Oh my god, this looks really amazing, right? I added red, yellow, pink and green and blue. Now what let's do is start creating the animation. Oh my god, you can see we are done. We're done with our animation. Let me show you the animation. See, let me just play it for you. This looks like a very watery animation. Now let me just tell you the technique I made to create the animation. What I just did was, I added a simple empty and a teaser circle and I connected the empty to the bezier circle and then I just created a simple animation to the empty and then I connected the empty to this thing we created, this model. Okay? So I hope you understand it. Now let's play this again to see our smooth, amazing animation. You can see it's really satisfying. It looks really, it's tucking, but it's actually not gonna be like that. It's just appearing like that to us. So we are done with our whole animation. Now let me tell you the surprise I was telling to you before. The surprise is, you can see what I'm wearing, right? Specs I'm wearing. podcast. And thank you and bye bye.